What are you doing? Look at that. Huh, 4 out, 4 in. Imagine that. Oh. Hey, buddies. Well, open up the window more. You can actually go on the ledge now. If you want. Only if you wanna. Blaine, what's wrong? Blaine. Yeah, she ain't gonna let me touch her. A lot of them don't let me pet them. Hey! You see that? Don't mess with baby. He means more to me than you do. No. You okay, baby? I'm not gonna let nobody hurt you. No, I won't. What's up, Niven? Why is it so bright over here and darker on the other side? I don't get it. Skyven, you wanna come out? Riley, you wanna come out? Milo, get out of the dish. That's not a nest, that's food. I gotta get you water, too. Come on. Come on, let's come out and play. Let's come out and play. Riley. At least they're on the cage, so I don't think it would be that hard to get them back in like I thought it would be. Come on. Come on. Niven. Niven. Niven, my friend, come on. Come on. Oh yeah, about that drink, I forgot. I'm sure you guys can get a little time getting used to things, huh? Niven, what's wrong? Oh. Come on. You two, in the back there. My lovebirds. Come on. I want you out of the cage. And Milo, stop being naughty. You always do these things. You always do that. Milo. Yeah, she's the worst one. Milo. Poor girl. Riley, you want to come out? Come on. Alright, I'm going to get him out in a minute.